Hello students, welcome to Ekam IS Academy Hyderabad. Today I am going to discuss a very important, it's a very important session primarily because over the years the second paper of prelims, which happens to be Csat, the Civil Services Aptitude Test, which contains two sections. One is the mathematical section and the second is the reading comprehension section. Over a period of time, the difficulty of level of this particular paper is also increasing many folds, making it difficult for the students even to get the bare minimum qualifying 33% marks. So with an intention to help the students to learn how to get more score with the help of reading comprehension, we are recording this particular video. Let's start. Firstly, you need to understand that one of the techniques that is recommended by expert is whenever you are attempting a reading comprehension, it is always advisable to read the question before the paragraph, so that while you are reading the paragraph, in the back of your mind you know what questions have been asked at the end of the paragraph. That will force you to visualize the question and connecting solution in the paragraph that you are reading. So starting with reading the question is considered to be one of the most successful strategies of attempting reading comprehension. Second is stick to the author's point of view. See, what happens is, because of your exhaustive learning in the UPSC examination, you develop your own what you call inference, your own idea about a particular issue. But when it comes to solving reading comprehension, he is not asking your opinion about that. He is only asking you to infer what the author is opining in a particular subject or a particular topic. So sticking to the author's point of view is very, very important. So you should not be giving an answer based upon your viewpoint on that particular issue. Second, the third point is making inference. See, many a times the reading comprehension, the author does not clearly say what he is wanting to say. He is forcing you to infer. Infer means draw conclusion from the given substance or a matter or a line or a paragraph. So you have to learn the art of inferring what the author is trying to tell about that particular issue. So based on the inference, you will try to find which is the most appropriate option from the four options given. You should not be using your own idea of understanding of that particular issue. Visualizing, as I told you, when you read something, if you develop the habit of visualizing that thing in your eyes or in your mind, that will kind of play a revision role in your mind when you are reading that. So it is like though you are only reading, because you are parallelly revising in your visual effect in your mind, it creates an effect of twice reading or reading it twice or reading it thrice. So that will immensely benefit you. This will help in saving lot of time, which is very, very crucial in this paper. And questioning and answering, very important. Whenever you are reading a line in a reading comprehension, you have to understand whether in this particular line is he asking a question or trying to give an answer to a question which may be there at the end of the paragraph. So you have to make a small mark whether he is questioning or answering. If he is answering, somewhere that answer is required in one of the questions at the end of the paragraph. This is one very important thing. And it is always, see, generally it so happens that in preliminary examination around 26 to 28 paragraphs are given. Around 26 to 28 paragraphs are given. Earlier it used to so happen that after the end of each paragraph 2 to 3 questions were being asked. But nowadays UPSC has changed the trend and they are asking generally one question and in very rare cases 2 questions at the end of the paragraph. So this makes you to attempt 26 to 28 paragraphs in that available time frame of 2 hours. So now the question is, how many reading comprehensions to attempt? See, if you are weak in mathematics and strong in reading comprehension, I would suggest dedicate maximum time for reading comprehension. But however, if you are weak in reading comprehension but strong in mathematics part, I would suggest you dedicate more time for the mathematics part. So depending upon what is your core strength area, you have to divide the time. and if it so happens that you are generally equal in your preparation standards in both the subjects, then you have to very intelligently divide the time, because reading comprehension takes a lot of time. The benefit of trying, in this particular case, the benefit of trying a mathematical question is the definiteness of the correct answer, but that does not come for reading comprehension. So even if you are a 50-50 candidate, certain amount of more time dedicated to mathematics will give you a definite answer which would be fruitful for you. And time division between the Quant and RC, as I told you, if you are strong in RC, that is reading comprehension, you dedicate more time for that. If you are strong in mathematics, dedicate more time for that. And if you have a balanced understanding of both the domains, then you have to very intelligently balance the what you call timing between both the dimensions. Okay, thank you very much.